In this movie tutorial, let's set up a new project and create some basic connections between Cubase and our audio interface. After creating a new project, your next stop will usually be a visit to the Project Setup dialog. Select Project, then Project Setup, or press the key command Shift-S. In most cases, you can leave the start value as is. But if you need to start a video post-production project at 1 hour, for example, then you should adjust the start value accordingly. The length value, on the other hand, should be set to the approximate length you think the project will be. This value doesn't need to be precise, but understand that longer lengths will increase the time it takes to freeze a track when you call upon that function. If you don't expect the project to be longer than 5 to 6 minutes, change your default length accordingly. You can always change this setting later if needed. Unless you're working with video or synchronizing to timecode being sent from a multi-track tape machine, you don't really need to worry about the project's frame rate, since this refers to a project's timecode. The important thing to remember is that the frame rate value should always correspond to the actual frame rate of the incoming timecode. If you're sending timecode to another device, make sure that the frame rate on that device is set to the frame rate that appears in this field in Cubase. The display format influences what time units appear in the project's main ruler. The display offset is useful when working with timecode, once again. For musical applications, though, if you plan on using a pickup bar at the start of a project and don't wish to count that bar as bar 1, use the bar offset field. This will make it much easier to keep track of where you are in the arrangement. Finally, make sure the sample rate and record format